Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can redirect Divi contact form to any of the page or any of the product. So for example, when someone submit this form, then he will be redirected to any particular page. So just enable Divi Field Builder, and after that we will be able to edit this form. Okay, so now let's go to module setting. And after that, now scroll down. Here you can see redirect option. Then click enable redirect URL. So now here you can add, for example, I want to link this website for the redirection, then click save. So this is how easily you can redirect Divi contact form to any of the particular page.